Quick review on one of these silicone splash mats for your kitchen sink. I like that it is silicone and not some sort of absorbent, more like this type of material, because I've seen some of these on Amazon that, would just get soaked and need a wash and start to stink, I imagine. So I do think the silicone's better than that, but at the same time, I think a tile backsplash or something would be better. And here's the problem: catches a good amount of water. You think, oh man, this is great. Look at all that water that's not on my counter now. But remove remove it, and why is it so moist under there? You know, Almost puddling, if not puddling, definitely completely moist. So it's definitely not foolproof. I'm imagining the water's getting, maybe past that crack, which is made to kind of do one of those. But unless it's just the perfect fit for your sink, that doesn't happen. Other thought is it's getting in through here, or even just kind of overflowing this little barrier into the back there. But yeah, it's very common. It's pretty much never dry under there. So if there's a better solution besides towel backsplash, something I can buy and throw down for 20 bucks, let me know. But these things are, yeah, not sure. Probably better than not having it, because I can at least dump off a good amount of water. Maybe quicker than having to sponge it all the time. But I kind of wish it was better. And I'm, yeah, curious about how exactly all that water gets under there every day.